Frames can be assembled using thousands of individual components and tens of thousands of possible variations. Our staff select the parts specific to each model or custom specification and sort them with each frame along 2 stages of picking. Each and every component on the bike is picked and assembled by hand. Assembly is done individually by trained mechanics. All Ridley bikes are built individually and never in a production line. By working this way, we're able to offer a greater number of possible model variations. And because each bike is constructed by an individual mechanic, we're able to ensure the quality remains at the highest level at all times. The completed bikes are then boxed ready for shipping. Our bikes are shipped direct to retailers in Europe and shipped via distributors in the rest of the world. We have a global presence and our main international markets are Europe, Japan, USA, Australia, South Korea and Canada. Each product and model of bike is extensively photographed in full 360-degree panoramic for our catalogues, websites and promotional materials. Our dedicated and knowledgeable sales team spread the word of our new products and bikes to our retail clients. This often includes on-site visits by our clients to the impressive Ridley showroom. Our clients are extremely important to us, and we take great pride in showing them around our factory to give them an in-depth insight into our philosophy for engineering Ridley bikes. In buying a bike from Ridley, you'll have the peace of mind that each and every calculation, shape and design decision has been made and implemented by our passionate staff, following extensive testing, development and scrutiny. Throughout the lifespan of each model, there's continued development, modification and ultimate improvement of the bike. We are Ridley. We are cycling. We are Belgium.